a 05 325i. Gonna be doing some KWV2s. The homies Allen E46. It's been on the channel before. Got the tires off already. You got 3 bolts on the top. Gotta remove the sway bar link, and you have 1 bolt on the bottom right here, and that's pretty much it. I like living better. When you're ready, just let me know. I'll hit up the guy and see. I think that's why he quoted me like $2 grand. Alright guys, make sure you have the left and the right side. Make sure you don't mix them up.
Oh really? On the top, yeah.
Yeah. See this hole right here? That's where you adjust it from.
Oh.
You have to make it hard or soft.
Okay.
Yeah. This is what the front looks like right now. Fresh out of the box, no adjustment. You're good. And now we're gonna do the rear. You have to remove a trim. The problem with these, whenever you try to remove them, they just ripped. And you have 2 13mm bolts. $18mm. You also want to make sure you remove the sway bar link from in here. I believe it's a 13. We're gonna move that, and then we're gonna lower the suspension, and that should be pretty much it.
Give me that shit. And she's like, you really want to right there when I get her? I'm not going to go back to school to fight this kid. You're not going to fight. I was like, right now it's a matter of you know she's going to fight. I was like, so, let it be what it is, man.
all done with the rear. 2 30mm on the top, 2 18 on the bottom, 13mm on the sway bar link. Actually, it looks perfect.
Yeah.
With some spacers,
Yeah.
it'll fill it up even good. Alright guys, there you have it. I just finished the installment of some KW V2s on a 325i. This wasn't much of a DIY video. I just wanted to show you guys what I had going on for the weekend. I already have nothing much going on with my cars. I do side jobs on the side every now and then when I have some extra time. So yeah, I just finished making up the part list for all the parts I'm gonna be needing on the E92. Hopefully, I'm planning on putting the engine hopefully next week, and I'm still trying to find a machine shop to do the black. I'm not sure if it's savable yet. And I also wanted to say thanks for following all the new subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. Once again, thanks for rocking with your boy. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.